Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw money from your Whop account. So the first thing that I went and done is that I created a Whop profile. And it's actually pretty simple. You'll need to have some money in the bank first, but when you do, which is something that's hopefully going to happen pretty soon, I've already done a bunch of videos on how to make money using Whop, whether through clipping or through selling your own products. Basically, what we want to do is venture onto our profile right here. Now, what we'd want to do is to venture over to payment methods, and you add a payment method here. So like I'll add my bank account details, and after that's verified, you go to balance. Hopefully you'll have some money in the bank right over here, and you press withdraw to bank. Now, there are two types of withdrawals. There are instant withdrawals that take about half an hour, and there are the normal types of withdrawals, which take about 3 to 5 days. There's a 0.25% sort of deduction percentage that always gets deducted alongside each and every withdrawal. And there's an extra 1% if you're withdrawing from outside of the US. That being said, yeah, that's it. Pretty cut and dry how to withdraw money from your Whop account. If you found this helpful, please do let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more videos like that. And let me know what else you want me to, make a video about. And thank you so much for watching.